Manipur University ki Adult Continuing Education and Extension na sinduna Department asigi mahairoi singna numit nifuga mangani chathagadaba Field Outreach Activities Program ngasi Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor na lamthakhre. Mahairoi ama oina isa khak khangjabagi mahutta miyamda su kanaba fanghannaba hotnagadabani haina MU ki Vice Chancellor Naurem Lokendra na fongdokhre. Ngasi Imphal West ki Hiyang Thang Tara Haikonjil Hiyang Thang Kabuikul amadi KP College Relief Camp punna mafam ahum asida Nabagidamak MU Traffic Island da pangthokiba lamthabagi thoram aduda Vice Chancellor Lokendra na hai Adult Continuing Education and Extension na silliba program asina miyoi kayada kanaba pigani haibagi thajaba lei National Education Policy gi manung channa takpi tambigadariba oza sing henne haithoi singthoiba mathok taribani masiga manana department asina field da chatuna takpi tambigadariba asina reality adu chap chana khangba ngamgani field outreach asina mafam aduda leiriba sing kari khutong chadaba mayok nari kari fibam da leiri sen thumgi khudong chadaba fawba kupna khangba ngam sen thumgi khudong chadaba fawba kupna khangba ngamgani hairi natana atopa miyoi bu sukana ba fanghalli Manipur University na Early Childhood Careers ECC Education Program su chana hannaba sem sare masi yamna maru oiba ama oibaga loinana New Education Policy makhada tarakpani haiki thauram aduda Adult Continuing Education and Extension gi Head of Department Lamalu Thaimain hai Field Outreach Activities asi chahi khudingi pangthoktuna lakli Manipur University ka thangnana leiriba khulsing dasu kanaba asi fanghannaba hotnabani kem asida department gi mahairoi singna iba paba amadi mayek chatriba miyoi singda ningthina takpi tambiduna makhoibu iba paba ngamnaba hotnaramgani haiki thauram aduda department adugi assistant professor CH Sonia TH Sarmila guest lecturer Paichoi Vasum amadi School of Education gi din Maisnam Premlata su saruk yaki
NEP 2020 there is a lot of emphasis on the field experience of the teachers. They should go to the field, they should understand their real situations, how they are living, how they are getting educational facilities which are being given by the government. Adult and continuing education has been continuously engaged in this kind of field experience, which is a very important focus area of the NEP 2020. Manipur University is going to start early childhood care education. We will be rolling out this program in Manipur University